Okay, so today I want to show you the exact strategy that I use to pass a prop firm challenge, which I'm currently using to pass prop firm challenges and which I use on a daily basis. So I'm going to show you by looking at a trade I took this week on Euro USD. It was a short position. There was also a GBP USD long position. I'm going to go through all of that in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into the charts. This trade was taken on Wednesday, right here, Wednesday the 4th of September. So, as you know, I'm starting off with a daily bias. I want to have a bias for the day. And for this day, I mean, if you just look at Euro GBP, we're clearly just plummeting down. So I'm very bearish on Euro and bullish on Pound, which means that GBP USD longs make sense and Euro USD shorts make sense. So I took the EU short, and essentially, this is what I was looking at. So, where was it? Wednesday, right there. Okay, so when I was coming into session, looking at clear structure, we clearly have a high, a low, a high, a low, and we're kind of coming up to this, and then my target was to go down and target these lows. Now, the clear supply zone from here, what I can see is this zone right here, and this is what I was waiting for us to tap into before taking a sell position to the downside. And exactly at 7 o'clock or around that time when kill zone starts, we had an entry model. So if we just go here, so there were a couple of entry models. It's not, I mean, it's kind of showing here, but essentially the entry model was taps in here, waiting for a swing low to break, which it does right there, entering at EQ. So the 50%, which is like around here, 50% of that range. Stops were set above the swing high, and a simple 1 to 2 was my target right there. Okay, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So this was essentially the trade. Now it's very simple, it's very mechanical. This is something which you can actually apply every single day. Just make sure to go and back test it before you actually start trading it live. But this is the entry model. It's very simple. You start off with a daily bias, then you go on to finding out which pair is better for shorts, which pair is better for longs, and then you're basically just looking for POIs for the power of 3 to tap into. As I identified here, we tapped into a supply zone. Now on GU, on Wednesday, it's a similar sort of thing, okay? We tapped into, I believe, an hourly fair value gap. Yeah, right there. An hourly fair value gap. We tapped into it right here at 7, and then we had an entry model to go up and buy basically, because Euro GBP is bearish, so GBP USD is better for longs because pound is the stronger pair compared to the euro. So there was also a long position here which I could have taken. I just found the euro position to be much more cleaner, hence why I took that. But this is exactly why I just wanted to show you that it's a very simple entry model. It's a very simple strategy that you can use. Don't need to complicate it too much. Just follow it mechanically, have the data, and just execute. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. That's exactly what I'm doing literally myself on a daily basis. Now, there'll be some tweaks and things here and there, but for the most part, this is what you're looking for. And I think if you just stick to it, you can definitely gain some consistent profitability. So that's all for today's video. Hope you got some value out of it. Make sure to join my free school community, completely free group. You'll also get access to a free course teaching everything. We have daily calls, daily Zoom sessions, everything like that. So if you want to join a free community, meet some more traders, network, all of those things, then make sure to click the first link in the description below. That's all for today. I will see you next Saturday. Happy trading and stay safe.